guys, it's Gina here from Orchid and Opal Jewelry and Beads. I'm excited to be here today with the December 2018 Bargain Bead Box Bead and Jewelry Making Subscription. As you can see, it comes in this really cool shiny teal mailer, and I'm going to move it out of the way just because I don't want to blind anybody. So this subscription, it's $15.95 a month, and it's really great. I really recommend it for any beader, especially if you're a beginner. Because of the price, it's so reasonable. That includes the shipping, by the way, and this is, I believe, just shipped to the US. I don't think they've opened it up to international, but if I'm incorrect, they can let me know. But I'm not affiliated with them at all. They don't sponsor me to do these videos. I subscribe because I like the subscription. I just like to share the unboxing with you guys because I think it's so much fun to see what's inside and also give you the chance to see if it might be right for you. So the contents are all wrapped up in this tissue paper. I haven't opened it yet, or hadn't opened it up rather. I just opened it, so I have no idea what's inside, but I can't wait to see. So they send a letter each month with a theme. It says that the theme is evergreen. So it says, inspired by snow-laden branches and unfading winter beauty, the Evergreen collection includes a selection of wintry, natural gemstone beads accented by sparkling crystals and silver-tone findings. So that sounds amazing. It says a polished serpentine drop and a detailed three-dimensional pine cone create striking centerpieces. That sounds amazing. So then they have a coupon code to their online store, Beadbox Bargains, and they always have a contest each month. If you submit a finished piece using their beads, you can be entered into a random drawing to win a $25 code to their site, which is awesome. So you can see there's 14 different items included this month, which is great, and shows the estimated retail value for the December shipment is $52. And I always definitely feel like I get my money's worth in this subscription. So as usual, I want to go down the list and we'll take a look at everything and see what they sent. Okay, so according to the list, the first item is 50 pieces of Daisy Rondelle spacer beads. Another thing I like about Bargain Bead Box is they coordinate all their findings each month. So if they're going to go with a silver theme for the findings, they send you all silver findings. So it's really easy for beginners who don't have a stash built up yet to make some finished pieces. That's another reason why I recommend this box for beginner beaters or newer beaters, people who don't have as much of a stash. So these are really basic, just daisy spacers. Great to have. Always nice to have extra spacers. Fantastic. So our number 2 is 10 pieces of pine cone charms. So that sounds really cute. Looking at the beads over here, and they are beautiful. This definitely looks like a box with some beautiful items, and it usually is. I don't think there's ever been a month that I've been like, ew, yuck. So look at these cute pine cones. Aren't they so adorable? They're so tiny. They're so cute. Oh my goodness. And they're on both sides. So it's not like one side and then the other side is just concave. It's actually on both sides. And I love these so much. Those are so cute. I knew when I saw the theme was evergreen that I was gonna like it. Okay, so number 3 is 1-piece serpentine jade gemstone pendant. And it's jade in quotes, so it's imitation, sounds like. So let's see. And that is this right here. So let's take a look at that. Looks beautiful. Wow. Check that out. That is going to make for a beautiful focal, just like it said. You can use the hole as it is on these types of pendants, or you can glue on a bail or use a pinch bail to attach it to chain or wire. So, but it's beautiful. Definitely looks like jade. And it's just a stunning green color. So, love that. Absolutely love that. So, 4 is 10 pieces of half matte crystal bicone beads in a green iris finish. These are 10 millimeters. So these are the little bit of sparkly, like they mentioned, which I really like these a lot. These are really nice. Love all the facets to them. I love the 10mm size too, and the fact that it's half matte. Like it said, you can see around the center of the bead it's matte and the rest of it's shiny, so that's pretty cool. Definitely unique. I don't have anything like that, and I'll be able to use them no problem. So number 5 is a 14-inch strand of 4mm glass beads in a gray jade finish. That's these, and these are stunning. Wow, these are really nice. Gray jade. Those are beautiful. So like it says, they're glass, but they look like jade. And I didn't know that there was a gray jade. I'm still learning a lot, like most of you guys are too. I'm not an expert, but every day I'm learning something new. That's so pretty. They're, you know, unlike regular glass beads that are all exactly the same, there's just slight variations in the lightness and darkness of the colors. Very pretty. Number 6 is 12 pieces of tree agate round gemstone beads. I love tree agate. I've actually bought tree agate from their bead box bargain site before, so I actually already have some of this and I've used it and I love it. So check out how gorgeous the tree agate is. Isn't this a beautiful stone? So beautiful. It's got different shades of green. It really looks like the forest. Got some white, so it kind of reminds you of maybe snow-capped evergreens, if you use your imagination. It's got some browns, some rust colors, and some, but they're all a little bit different. That's just the nature of agate, and gemstones are all going to be just a little bit different, but when they're put all together and combined with other coordinating pieces like they've sent, you can make some gorgeous, gorgeous jewelry. So absolutely love that they send gemstone beads in this subscription. Such another nice perk of this subscription. Number 7 is 40 pieces of crystal rondelle beads in a deep emerald and silver. So that's these beauties, and I love when the rondelles have that half and half, where it's half metallic and half another color. It's so beautiful. And won't these go so beautifully with these other things that they've sent? So, like I said, they do such a great job at coordinating their beads and findings to a theme, and it's so nice if you don't have a stash built up where you can just pull a lot of things right from what they sent in the 1 month's box to make some nice finished pieces. So those are really pretty. Love that deep green too. Number 8 is 50 pieces of 6mm Lacy dotted bead caps, which are these, and I love getting bead caps. I use them a lot in stringing projects. And so I end up going through them quite a bit, and I like getting things like this in subscription boxes because they add to my stash. It means I don't have to think about going out and buying more, and I always have them when I need them. And these are really cute. I like the style of those. Okay, so moving on, our next item, number 9, is a 15-inch strand of 6mm tree agate round gemstone beads, which is fantastic. So we had already gotten some 10mm, and now we have some 6mm. And this is a whole strand, a nice long strand, 15 inches, with these beautiful tree agate beads that I will have no problem using. If you've seen my past finished jewelry updates, you'll see that I have actually used these to, I know I made at least one necklace. I know I sold one necklace. It was a 3-strand with tree agate and also some African jade, and it looked really nice. So I can't wait to play with it some more. Then we are looking for number 10, 2 pieces of pine tree branch pendants. That sounds really cool. And here's those pine tree branch pendants. I'll take those out. We can look at them. These are gorgeous. Check these out. I am loving the pine cones. Really loving those. And the leaves, those are so pretty. So, so pretty. I love the detail on them. And look, they're two-sided. One side's not decorated and design impressed, with the other side just being flat, where you have to think about if it's going to flip over on you. They're both like that on both sides. These are really cool. All right. Then we're looking for 15-inch strand of 8mm matte Shanghai marble gemstone beads. So that's number 11. Oh my goodness, these are so cool. I have never seen these. I've never seen these. These are crazy. These look like they're covered in like moss. Because they're matte, so they're not shiny. And there's something about the colors where it makes them look almost fuzzy, which is just crazy. But the colors go so well, as you can see, with everything that they've sent. And I think they will add a nice textural element to anything you put them with. Those are really interesting. Here's a close-up on those. All right, and number 12 is a 42mm pine cone pendant. Oh my goodness, check it out. It is a huge pine cone. So pretty, and the level of detail on it. I mean, it's just all the way around. I mean, that is just really cool. Don't have anything like that. Bargain Bead Box sends some really cool focals. They usually include at least one with their boxes. And if you haven't seen any of my previous unboxings for them and you're curious about them, definitely go check them out. I do have a playlist just for Bargain Bead Box. I have a playlist for each of the subscription boxes. That way you can kind of get a feel for their routine, what kinds of things they send, and maybe if it's right for you. You gotta get a feel for the types of things they typically send without just watching one video. That's really neat. Alright, so number 13, we're looking for 2 sets of fancy swirled toggle clasps. And so that's these right here. Very nice. So another finding set that they've sent us, which is always great and always appreciated. I like the simple elegance of the swirl design. Almost looks like a vine or something to me. Very cool. And you can see that they've coordinated all the findings, like I said, which is great. And then we're down to our last item, which is 1 meter of 4x3 steel textured jewelry chain. Love that they send chain too. Love using chain. And this is very nice. You can see the texture on it like they had said. And it's a whole meter of it, which is great. Will go a long way. Love adding to my chain stash too through these boxes. So there you go. That is the December 2018 Bargain Bead Box, and as usual they've done an excellent job of coordinating the beads, the findings, and through subscribing to them for a while, I can definitely vouch for the fact that this is typical of all their boxes. They send focals, they send findings, they send some gemstone strands, they send some glass stone strands, usually some chain. So if you like this sort of mix and what you're seeing here, then you probably like Bargain Bead Box. And again, I'm not here to sell you the box. There's nothing in it for me from Bargain Bead Box. I just like to share these with you. It's a lot of fun to share them with other beaders and those of you who love to watch unboxings like this. So as always, please feel free to leave me a comment below. Let me know what your favorite item or items are here. If you like this box, please feel free to leave me a question or let me know what you might make with any of these items here. Thanks so much for being with me for another unboxing. I do have one more unboxing to come this week, and hopefully that will be up within the next day or two. I do have a lot of tutorials planned now that we've passed the Black Friday hauls and most of the bead subscriptions, and also I can't wait to come back with more finished jewelry updates to show you the types of things that I've made with all these beads and hopefully give you some inspiration and ideas at the same time. So as always, I appreciate you guys so much. I really appreciate you being with me, and I hope to see you soon on my next video. Bye guys! If you enjoyed this video, I'd love you to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell if you'd like to see more of my videos, and check out the video description section to follow along on all of my social media handles, visit my Etsy shop, and check out my new website and blog at orchidandopal.com. Thanks for watching!